and today we are talking DIY cleaning recipes. So I started using homemade cleaners about 10 years ago, and I've kind of gone back and forth with using them. I still love my Method products and my Mrs. Meyer's products, and even a couple of conventional products. But when I can use natural cleaners, I will use them. And today I want to show you 3 of my favorite recipes that I use pretty regularly. One is going to be a homemade all-purpose cleaner. It's great for the fridge and the microwave. One is going to be a Granite cleaner. This is the first house that we've had that has had granite, and I really needed to figure out a solution for cleaning the granite. And then the third is just a carpet deodorizer. Excellent, works perfectly. I use it to freshen up our rugs and our carpets. I've got lots of kids around, so that's just how it is in a large family. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make those 3 cleaners so I can start using them again. And yeah, come along with me and I'll show you the recipes. And I will also have a link up here and down in the description box where you can get an entire sheet. It looks like this of DIY homemade cleaning recipes. I made this a long time ago. These are tried and true recipes, and I keep it usually in my homemaking binder. So if you need to know a homemade cleaning recipe quickly, you can just go and look at that. So yeah, let's get started. So the first cleaner that I'm going to make is my homemade carpet deodorizer, and this is really the simplest recipe. I use a mason jar, and what I did was I just took a regular old mason jar lid and poked some holes in the top. You could also use a Parmesan cheese lid, little shaker lid, and that would work just fine. So what I do is I just fill my mason jar up with some baking soda. You can put as much as you want in there. And the next thing that I'm going to do is add some lavender essential oil. Lavender is my favorite to use in my carpet deodorizer because it's such a relaxing scent. But you could use just about any essential oil that you wanted to. Peppermint would be good, eucalyptus, anything like that. Just give it a shake and it's good to go. Dust it onto your carpets, leave it for about an hour, and then vacuum it out. Our next recipe is going to be the homemade Granite cleaner. So what I am using is a 1/4 cup rubbing alcohol. Make sure that it is rubbing alcohol. Do not put peroxide in this. Get rubbing alcohol. I'm going to add that to the spray bottle. And then I'm going to add just a few drops of dish soap. You could use any kind of dish soap. You could use Castile soap. Whatever you have, that just helps to cut down on any grease you might have. And then I'm going to put in about 1.5 cups of warm water. It's best to use distilled water, but if you use filtered tap water, just make sure that you use up the cleaning solution pretty quickly. Add my essential oils. For this one, I'm going to use lavender and eucalyptus. You could use just about any kind of essential oil. I would stay away from citrus because citrus has some acid in it. It may break down your granite over time, so just try to stay away from lemon, lime, orange when you're making the granite cleaner. So the last cleaner we're going to make is the all-purpose cleaner. I like to use this to clean out my fridge and my microwave. It just has a really nice scent. I don't use it on everything because my husband's not crazy about vinegar, but I do use it on some things. So we're going to start out with about 2 teaspoons of baking soda. I'm using my Grow Collaborative glass spray bottle. I love these spray bottles, and I need to get some more definitely for all of my other cleaners. To that, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of white vinegar. So now I'm going to go ahead and add about 2 cups of water, and then I'm going to add my lemon essential oil. I'm going to put about 20 drops of this in my spray bottle. Now for me, the lemon essential oil covers up the vinegar scent enough that the vinegar doesn't bother me, but someone who is extra sensitive to vinegar, like my husband, still doesn't care for it, but I think that the lemon does a pretty good job of covering up the scent. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Those are my top 3 DIY natural cleaners. I will leave the link down below for you to check out the accompanying blog post and grab that free printable. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you so you can see more homemaking and homeschooling videos. Thanks and bye.